All right, ke aloha mai kako. Aloha everybody. Mahalo nui Maui Huliau for having me and having all of us over here to share and learn from you folks as well. It's nice to see some familiar faces in the group and in these students. Thanks for taking the time to come and spend some time with us today. So my name is Serena Fukushima. I'm the Public Relations and Education Specialist for the Maui Invasive Species Committee, but I haven't always been here in this position. I was born and raised in Kaneohe on the island of Oahu. I currently reside in Kula, where my mauna is Haleakala, my vai is Waikamoe, which is pumping right now. We got a lot of water coming through our area, which is a blessing. I grew up outside all the time. My sisters and I were always outside. We were roaming the neighborhood. We were those kids that were barefoot, eating strawberry guava, never wanted to come inside. Parents always scolding us when, we're out past the street lights turning on. But that really is what gave me my love for our aina, for our place. I love to be outside. And as I grew older, I realized, wow, I can actually have a job where people pay me to be outside. What? This is real? So I decided to pursue a degree at the University of Hawaii in environmental studies and really just spent all of my breaks, all of my time off, volunteering, doing internships, trying to just learn and do as much as I can. And that's what brought me to Maui, visiting some family. And I just fell in love with hiking through Haleakala, going to Kipuhulu and working lo'i, and just really felt an attachment to this place. So after graduating college, I had an internship with Kupu. I was actually in their first year-round cohort back in 2010, working with Huiku Mauliola and Papahana Kuaola in Heia, Oahu, doing a lot of native plant cultivation, outplanting, restoration type of work, and also archival research at Bishop Museum. That really kind of set my path forward in wanting to do more education and outreach type of work. That's when I was doing another internship and I met my mentor, Kuhea Asiu, and she offered me a position to intern at Haleakala National Park, helping to run their internship programs for middle school, high school, and college age students. So I moved over to Maui. I lived up at the national park for about 2 years. My neighbors were Nene, and it was amazing, and a really great opportunity to get to know that place and also learn everything I can about what I was teaching to students. And so after that position, I started Nahua Ho'ohuli Ikapono alongside Kuhea, which is a conservation leadership intern program that I'm still a part of too, till today. We ran that program for about 5 years, in which I graduated with my master's degree and then started this position with MISC. So running you through my timeline to just show you that I was exactly where you folks are standing right now. And the fact that you're in this position or in this presentation right now is showing that you're on the right path. You're going out there, you're seeking opportunities, you're wanting to learn and connect. And so awesome, keep on that path. So really quick with MISC, I don't want to take too long. But for the Maui Invasive Species Committee, we're a project of the University of Hawaii Pacific Cooperative Studies Unit. Our committee is a voluntary partnership of government, private, nonprofit organizations, and individuals that are working to prevent, control, or eliminate the most threatening invasive plants and animals in protecting Maui Nui. And we address high target, high priority species that we work on every day, such as koki frogs and little fire ants. But throughout the year, we address over 40 different high impact invasive species, such as snake reports or rose-ring parakeet reports. And so we're out there trying to protect our aina from these harmful pests. My job specifically is the public relations and education specialist. And so I get to do a lot of different things. I love my job because every single day I get to work on something different. I have a lot of diverse opportunities to network with community members, network with conservation professionals, as well as young students like you. You guys help me to kind of target to your audience and what you're interested in and where you're getting your information. And so I appreciate always connecting with the younger generation. My previous positions were, as I mentioned, with Nahua Ho'ohuli Kopono and the Kuno Kopono o Haleakala internship programs at Haleakala National Park. Both programs are still active and thriving today. And so I can talk with you a little later about connecting you to opportunities with these programs. Some tips I have in having a career in Hawaii conservation, really just learn as much as you can, spend some time outside, network with community, look for opportunities, volunteer and intern. The more you can build your resume, the more you can seek out opportunities and network with people is how you're going to be able to get those jobs or hear of positions. Conservation is a really small community. And so if you're doing a really good job, people are going to pay attention and know what you're up to. Finish school. A lot of these jobs, they require high school degrees and GEDs. It's not always required, but it is a really good way to get a leg up. I like to say no make any kind because, conservation again is a small community. So if you're doing really well, if you're coming to work on time, if you're putting your whole heart into your job, you're going to create a reputation for yourself and people are going to want to have you come and work with them. If you're not doing a really great job or if you're showing up late, things like that, that reputation will also build as well. So just remember that. And then kokua aku kokua mai, as you folks learn as you go, share that knowledge with your family, share it with your friends. They may not know what you're learning, and it's exciting. It's exciting to pass that on and to really share that kako type of mentality, right? It takes all of us to protect our aina and to spread the message of conservation in Hawaii. All right, and this is a just a slide you guys can screenshot on just some resources that you can check out in how to find jobs and how to find volunteer opportunities, internship opportunities. Currently, our volunteer opportunities at MISC are on pause because of COVID, but we're hoping to be back in 2022. So you can keep in touch with me, and I'm more than happy to pass on things as they come up. The Hua Ho'ohuli Kapono is also accepting interns as well. So for more information, you can follow them. Other than that, please feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to talking with you all later. Mahalo.